Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Algo AI Trader. Today, this particular video is all about AI. As you know, our channel is already Algo AI Trader, where we are utilizing AI to create the trading indicators. But today, I'm not going to talk about the indicators. It is about, in general, AI, how we can use it in our day-to-day life, how it's not only helping us in a tech world, but we can utilize it in our daily life. We can achieve our personal goals using AI. So this one particularly I'm talking about in both areas. So basically, when I created my first project in December, it was my website tradetechanalysis.com. So here I utilized it for creating the indicators, but it doesn't mean that AI can do everything. You should have the knowledge about the domain. So, trading, I have 7 years of experience. Uh, so, indicators, it was a click in my mind where I have seen multiple people facing the same problem in their initial trading journey. So that's how I came up with an idea to create some unique trading indicators. So I did that, and my indicators are not just traditional indicators. You can browse my website. I will just show you a demo as well. So here we have a lot of free and paid indicators. Paid indicators are more better than the free ones, but it doesn't mean that the free indicators are bad. They are pretty awesome as well, and I have received huge feedbacks about positivity of these indicators. So I really thank you, my subscribers, who uses it a lot, and these are pretty amazing. So second project that I'm working on. Before that, we go to the project that I'm working on. Let me show you. So my website is tradetechanalysis.com. So this website, when I created it, it is basically the combination of AI plus manual efforts. I am from a tech background. I'm working as a DevOps engineer in an MNC. So there I utilized AI that time was pretty fascinating. Everybody was talking about chat gpt, right? So DeepSeek came in, Gemini came in, and Grok as well. So that time I was thinking, let's try it, and it gave me pretty awesome ideas for creating the indicators. So I created some indicators. Basically, I hosted this website myself on the Wix platform, and indicators that I created was using AI, but back testing was done by me since I have the trading knowledge. So I utilized my knowledge to back test it and make it in a more simplified way. So I'm using 3 4 technologies altogether, and when all together they say buy, then it will generate a buy signal, and when they all together say sell, then it will generate a sell signal. So this is basically my concept for creating the indicators. So I have these indicators where I have about false breakout, institutional, adaptive market range, candle momentum, multi time frame indicators. This is one of the good indicators. Liquidity trap, I have received huge positive feedback. Relative volume is my the best subscribed ever indicator. So I have tagged them as best of free. These are unique ideas that I was working on. So these indicators are there. You can bifurcate them by free and paid indicators. Free, you will love it, and when you see a paid one, it's beyond loving it. Uh, you will be shocked with this performance. You will be excited with with the performance as well. So I have so far 70 plus subscribers, those who are using paid indicators. but that's okay. I'm not here for paid promotion, but here I'm about like this video is particularly about how I am utilizing it. So second project, which is right now pending for my company's registration, pending for and then once that is done, I have to publish my Android app, and then my Apple app as well. So everything I want to do it using my company account. So glycowise.com is the project. This website I have already hosted. So for this I'm using Cursor AI. So it helped me creating the website. I gave it the architecture, what should be the front end, what should be the back end, and website is more of with the business logic, but my app, Apple and Android, will have lot of benefits, and the main part of this app is analytics screen, wherein it shows you your progress. AI will recommend you the timings about your like I mean food timings, supplement timings, or whatever the data you are feeding in based on the inputs. It keeps on tracking your progress as well. So how I came up with this idea, actually I am a pre-diabetic, and after the lockdown, obviously the work pressure was there, but in person as well I was not moving a lot, and I had a bad habit of eating outside a lot. So what happened was, I was diagnosed pre-diabetic. My HB1AC was 6.5, and then from January or February, what I was doing, I was talking to ChatGPT, and then it asked me one day that I can keep a track of the recordings of whatever I was telling it, that I had breakfast, I ate, let's say, omelette, I had my lunch, I had my dinner, like this. So everything it was keeping a record. So then I got to know that, yeah, I mean, why not have an app where people like me who are in corporate jobs, and they want to keep a track of their calories, they want to keep a track of their supplements, everything, and this app can remind you as well, based on the timings or the alerts that you want to set it. And so I wanted to keep a track, and then later when the recording was done for about, I think, 7 or 10 days, then chat gpt told me that it can create a dashboard as well. So it really created a dashboard. It was pretty basic though, but it was telling me visualize like visual display of the performance. So that's what I came up with the idea. And this analytics part in app, it's the basic AI, to be honest, but in the Android app it's gonna be AI plus ML. So ML and AI will keep on reading the data that user is putting in, and based on that AI will suggest the options. There could be n number of options. It's not gonna say in basic that you need to drink water, you need to sleep on time, but based on your data and inputs timings, it will suggest you what time you should have your dinner, what time you should have your supplements. Everything based on the data, not basic AI. So along with that, I have implemented AI coach as well. This is you can use for basic conversation with AI. If you have any questions, so you don't need to go to and fro with the chat gpt. It is built in with app as well, so you can talk to AI about your diabetic conditions or whatever conditions you have, and you want to leverage it for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So that's what I came up with the idea, and these things are working. And yeah, I mean, once my website, like once the company registration is done, I will publish my Android app as well. So right now this tool is pretty much free. You can register, it's you can use it. Like for now you can website is live, basically you can register, you can start logging your recordings, etc. And if you have any feedback to share with me, please feel free to share it as well. I love feedbacks, and I love improving the process and streamlining the processes as well. So that's how I came up with the idea, and that's how today's reading it can show you. So whatever reading, let's say my today's weight is, let's say, is 94.7. I log weight. It has logged my weight for today, and I can see it is in the weight section as well, right? So here it is showing the recent activities that I did. So that's how I wanted this as an app. So for now, like I said, it is totally for free, and yeah, that's how I utilized Cursor AI to create an app for me. Business logic, business idea was mine. And in ChatGPT, basically, it can write the code for you, but infra that you need to set up is by yourself. But Cursor AI, you can literally utilize it for almost 90% of your task. It can deploy your code to infra as well. You can configure storage, you can configure DNS, everything. It can help you do it. So right now Cursor AI can do these jobs as well, but whereas the platforms that you are using, there is a limitation. So let's say if you go with the AWS setup, then there are certain things that you need to do it manually, but it works phenomenally uh, smooth. I would say that smooth process, it really works well with Google Cloud. It can automate everything. It can deploy your code to cloud. It can live your website. It can configure DNS. But yes, I mean, it's nothing that it can't do, but you should be smart enough to have your job done. You have to specify your I would say that inputs that you are putting in. So let's say if I have to do something, let's say if I need to tell him that here put a smiley. So I can't simply go and say that next to Gopal Sani put a smiley, right? So AI may not understand, and AI will search everything searching for the name Gopal Sani. So what you can do is, instead of saying like this, you can say that in the web app where it says good evening Gopal Sani, can you put a smiley as well? Then it knows where to go, and where what is the section where it is actually looking for good morning, good evening messages, right? And this would be the username. So it's moreover good evening username, and like this. So it would be able to do the job clearly. So in so basically there are a lot of training videos where you need to learn about prompts using the AI. To be honest, I didn't do it. I'm using it since October. It's almost been a year, and I have learned my way that how we can utilize it. And I will create a 2-3 minutes videos about AI prompts as well, how we can utilize it. This is what by far my experience. Okay, so I need to be specific about my requirements. You can't be vague. And let's say if sometime it may happen that it can delete or rewrite the things, that's where you need to take a control and specify that. Let's say if you are asking a question, then you need to simply say this is just a question. You don't need to write a code. So yeah, there are agent modes there, like in Cursor AI you can have the agent mode or the ask mode. In ask mode you can Q&A kind of thing can do, and in agent it literally write the code. So that way you can utilize AI as well. And for setting up Cursor AI, I will create another video. So please wait for the next video as well. So with this, this is my journey about how I'm leveraging AI in my day-to-day life and achieving my personal goals. And please like and subscribe to the channel. There is my another channel as well where I post indicator videos. That channel name is Trade Tech Analysis. You can subscribe to this channel as well in case you are looking for the indicators as well. So with this, thank you so much guys, and have a good day. Take care.